Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by cooking and shredding 1 lb chicken so it's easy to fold into dough. Once done, sauté onion, garlic, and half a bell pepper to build a sweet base flavor. This mellows harsh raw onion notes. Add spices, cumin, paprika, a pinch of salt, to create a balanced profile and deglaze with a splash of stock so the mixture stays moist. Make sure to cool the filling before assembling so the dough won't become soggy. Now you shape and seal. Place 2 tablespoons of cooled filling onto each 3-inch dough round, leaving a small edge so you can crimp. Once folded, press edges firmly with a fork or twist a crimp to prevent leaks. This also creates a consistent crisp margin. Brush each empanada with egg wash to promote golden browning. Make sure to chill them for about 15 minutes to relax the dough and help seals set before frying or baking. Finish by cooking your empanadas. Bake at 400 degrees F for 18 to 22 minutes until golden, or shallow fry about 2 to 3 minutes per side for a crisper shell. Once done, transfer to a rack and let rest for 5 minutes so the filling firms and you don't burn your mouth. If an empanada turns out soggy, reheat in a 375 degrees F oven for 5 to 8 minutes to restore crispness. This also helps evaporate excess moisture without overcooking filling.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.